that to Finn? Poor guy. Adeline, can you give that back to Finn?
Yeah.
Can you give it back?
Yeah.
Give it back to baby Finn. Can you give it to Finn? Good job, Adeline. Adeline, good job. That was so nice. That's baby Finn's.